Hi everyone, welcome back to A Maker Studios YouTube channel. My name is Lianep and I'm so glad that you are here with us today. Normally you'll find me on my own YouTube channel, DIY Beauty on Purpose, where I create my own home decor all on a budget. Before we get started with the craft, I'm going to show you what I'm going to be using to create it, so that way you can take some notes and hopefully recreate yourself at home.
Alright, so the first thing we're going to work with, which is mainly our main star, is a tote bag. This one I got in a packet of, I think it was like 10 of them, and they're great for customizing for gifts, and they're just great in general. Like if you have a small business, to promote your small business, they're just wonderful. They're really good quality, and they're just a generic canvas style tote bag. So we're going to start with this. We are also going to be using multiple stencils, but they all came from the same stencil group. So this is a stencil. It's scripture based. This one was here, this one was here. It was part of a full sheet. In the last two videos that I did, I used this one and this one, but we're gonna use them again today. And then of course we have the rest of them. We are going to cut them into smaller ones just like those. And what we want to create is a very fun, customized tote bag that you can give as a gift for either Christmas, birthdays, Mother's Day, to anyone. And I think it'd be just so much fun. So first thing we want to do, we're also going to be using a ton of chalk art paste. All these colors, look how beautiful they are. I'm going to turn them so you can see them. Aren't they pretty? I love them. I think they complement the bag very well. They're bright, they're crisp, and I think they're going to look so good. So we are going to, first thing we want to do is cut the stencil. So let's cut that. And we're just gonna cut around them. We're gonna leave the stars on this one. This cute little smiley face one is adorable. We have that one. And then we have these two that says Jesus saves, but one's bigger than the other one. And so now we have all of our stencils. The next thing we want to do is we want to make sure that our canvas is lint free. So the way I like to do is I like to take some tape, some painter's tape. You can use a lint roller. I don't have one, but I like using tape because it works just as well. And I like to just tape and pull, and what it does is just removes any lint that it may have. And it works just as well. And that's it. Okay. See all the lint that got stuck on there? That was perfect. All right, so now we are going to kind of find a place where we want to place these. So we want this to be fun. We want it to be random, not to have a set. I'm going to take a break and tell you about my bandages. Recently, I had a procedure done on my wrist, and I had to get a splint and bandaged it up. I'm not in pain. It's actually healing quite well. I just can't do a lot of movement quite yet. So the doctor has me wear this for a few weeks, and that's why it's bandaged up. But I can still work and do my work, and so I'm happy about that. All right, so what I want to do is I want to start placing them, and we can move them, we can switch them around, but I want them to have a very kind of like random placement. They don't need to be like completely even in a do you see what I'm saying? Like it could be whatever you want it to be. Kind of like the way this is looking. I like that. Let me see, I've got this one tilted. I almost feel like I need to have one maybe here as well, or maybe here. That would look good. I like the smiley face on top. I like that. I think that would be a very good placement for them. So we are going to place them all at once. So we are going to remove the first one and just place it. See, not hard. We're gonna place this one. That way we're not gonna forget the placement. And this one. What a beautiful stencil, don't you think? I'm gonna pull this out. There you go. I love the messages. I love the scriptures. I love crafting with scriptures because, I mean, really, right? The message. And, all right, so we're gonna place this one right here. And once we get to like start placing the paste, we will like flatten it out even more. I just wanna get them on there so that, again, I don't forget where is that? Oh, this one. Okay, see? All right, so we're gonna, because the wonderful thing about these reusable stencils is that you can reuse them. You can rinse them and reuse them again and again for other gifts. So think about that, or other decor or crafts, whatever you want it to be. So we have these beautiful colors. So now I'm just gonna place them kind of where they're complementing each other. So like I wouldn't put these two together because they're just too much alike. So maybe that one here and there. Maybe this one here, there. I like that one for there. This is a beautiful blue one. I'm not going to put the blue and the black right next to each other. So maybe here and maybe here. I think that's a good plan. I got my squeegee. I've got my little cup with water so that I can rinse the squeegee in between uses. And I have a towel so that I can dry it. So, all right, let's start at the bottom. Let's start with this red one. Look how vibrant that is. That is just gorgeous. All right, we are going to really, really tape this. Now you can take some tape like I'm gonna do and tape around it. Just a little bit. That way, I'm not going to go past where I need to and ruin the bag. All right, so now I'm going to take some of the paste. It's really thick, so it's not going to drip on you. It's really easy to work with, actually. All right, I'm not going to take too much because this is a tiny stencil. We don't need much at all. And once again, I'm just going to press it down and just start squeezing it. Okay. Okay. That's the first one. I'm going to remove it. Oh, how cute. I love it. All right, we're going to throw away the tape. We're going to keep moving on. We're going to move on to the black one. Oh, let me turn this or close this. I've used the black one, as you can see, quite a bit. I'm just going to clean my squeegee. All right, now that I have some on there, let me make sure again that I tape a little bit. Again, making sure that I'm very careful with that one. All right, let's start adding it. It's so easy. Now for this one, of course, I'm being extra careful because I'm so close. There's so many stencils. I just want to make sure that it's as neat as possible. But really, I mean, it's so easy to work with. Put the excess there. Oh my gosh. Isn't this gonna be the funnest tote bag ever? And with the best like messaging. All right, we're gonna move on to this one here. Look at this color. Isn't that pretty? This one's called Heart of Gold. Okay. And same thing. We're just gonna flatten it out, tape where we need to tape. And again, this is optional. You don't have to tape. If you feel you can do a good job in staying within the stencil, by all means do it that way. I like to have peace of mind. All right, let's do this one. That color is gonna look stunning. What a fun project to do with like maybe your older kids. I know my daughter would actually love to do this with me, so it's definitely something to think about to do, because how fun. And then of course she can keep it. Just fun. All right, let's remove this and remove this stencil. I'm so loving this project. I think this is the most fun I've had. I love that blue. I've used it a few times. And it always comes out so beautiful. If you have never used any of these products, again, go down to the description box. There are just links that you can find all of these items and supplies, and just have fun. There's a lot coming out for the holiday season, Christmas, fall, just fun stuff. All right, let's be very careful with this one because it is tiny right here. And it's so pigmented. I love it. Really easy to work with. If I can do it, you definitely can do it. All right, let's put the excess right in there. I love it. And of course, you know, if you have any spaces like these where it just looks a little bit distressed, I don't stress about that. I actually don't mind it. I prefer it. So yeah. All right, so here's this one. We're gonna do this one. This one's on the little bit on the larger side, but look at this color. This was called Love Is. Look at that color. Wow, right? Okay. So fun. These colors are gorgeous. Has a groovy kind of style. There we go. All right. Let's remove this. Look how pretty that looks. All right, let's start with this side. Beautiful stars are gonna look great in this yellow. Okay. Beautiful. We're just going to I didn't tape this one, but I think I will be okay. move it just a bit. Okay, now let's remove that one. Cute smiley face. So glad I taped it. Let's reveal it. Oh, that color is beautiful. Isn't it? I am so loving this Groovy Tote Bag. I cannot stand the cuteness. Let me know what you think of this down in the comments, and let me know which color do you like best. This is a great example, giving you an example of what some of these beautiful colors look like. Let me know what you think and which one is your favorite.
So this is it for today, my friends. You're going to have to let me know what you think of this craft. Is it something that you would like to redo at home? Let us know in the comments what you think of it. If you are visiting for the first time, don't forget to check out all the links down below in the description box where you can find all the items that we use today, as well as don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you do not miss any of the content. Also, don't forget to check out my YouTube channel, DIY Beauty on Purpose. And if you love what you see there, I hope you consider joining our YouTube family as well. Have fun creating and have a blessed day. Bye.